Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on RTA Academy, and today again we are going to discuss a question from the recently held exam conducted by UPSC in 2023. Okay, and today we are going to discuss about climate change performance index. Index काफ़ी favorite होता है किसी भी एग्जाम में, UPSC बहुत अलग स्पेशल फोकस देता है, and the way they are asking about the indices that is also changing. रिपोर्ट्स उनके बारे में हो रहा है, पहले आता था कि कौन रिलीज कर रहा है, नाउ दे आर गोइंग लिटिल बिटर, दे आर डिगिंग डीपर इनटू दैट. तो लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड. सो हियर इज द क्वेश्चन इज विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट इज नॉट करेक्ट. तो कभी भी आपको क्वेश्चन पेपर में अलर्ट रहना, व्हाट दे आर आस्किंग. करेक्ट एज नॉट करेक्ट एज पर द क्लाइमेट चेंज परफॉर्मेंस इंडेक्स CCPI 2023. The first statement is India has jumped 2 spots higher in the report. India is placed at 8th rank in the report 2023 report. The third statement is India is amongst the top 5 best performing countries in the world on the climate change. And the fourth is India is placed lower in the rank in this index than Norway and United Kingdom. अब not correct बताना है. अगर आपको नहीं पता है, if you have not read about it current affairs में, then definitely you cannot mark this answer because every statement is very very specific. They are not asking who has released it, right? एक लेवल वो होता है कि हम ये भी प्रिपेयर करें कि who has released it. Now the same question we have also taught in our class. As you can see here, I am teaching this in my class and I framed a very basic question. It is released by whom? IUCN, UN, WWF, German Watch, New Climate Institute, Climate Action Network, IPCC, FAO. So we framed this question because again we have taught it in our current affairs class, and here we taught that okay, जो rank थी वो 8 out of 63 है, 23 में हमारा jump हुआ है, higher हुआ है, and it is released by German Watch, New Climate Institute, Climate Action Network. But why it was asked? It was asked because of this news article. India at 8th spots, India ranks high on the list for climate protection, and ये सारी रिपोर्ट्स थी, इसके बारे में हमने डिटेल में पढ़ा है. सो व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट क्लाइमेट CCPI रिपोर्ट, उसके बारे में हमें थोड़ी डिटेल्स पता होनी चाहिए. एंड हियर व्हेन वी गिव द डिटेल्ड एक्सप्लेनेशन वी गिव लाइक दिस. सो क्लाइमेट चेंज परफॉर्मेंस इंडेक्स, इफ वी सी, इट इज रिलीज्ड बाय जर्मन वॉच, न्यू क्लाइमेट इंस्टीट्यूट एंड क्लाइमेट एक्शन नेटवर्क. सबसे पहले तो ये क्लियर हो गया कि कौन रिलीज करता है. If we talk about the 2023 one, we will analyze that India has secured 8th position and in which India is 2 position up from the last edition out of 63 countries. ये भी clear हो गया. So दो statement जो हमने देखे वो यहाँ से मिल गया हमें explanation से, and we have taught it in the class as well. And this is being released by these 3 bodies since 2005. ये भी हमें यहाँ देखने को मिलता है. One very unique statement is there which we have given in our explanation is Denmark is the only country with high national or even very high rated international climate policy. Denmark. No country is ranked to first and third. इस रिपोर्ट में बड़ी यूनिक चीज थी कि फर्स्ट टू थर्ड रैंक जो थी वो खाली रखी गई थी बिकॉज वो लेवल किसी कंट्री ने मैच नहीं किया. सो नो कंट्री इज रैंक फर्स्ट टू थर्ड वाइल डेनमार्क इज रैंक्ड फोर्थ. डेनमार्क को फोर्थ रैंक दिया गया, followed by Sweden को 5th rank दिया गया, and India is at rank 8th. You will realize the importance of this statement and why I am discussing this when I will again show you the question, or again I will show you some other important piece of information from PIB. तो यहाँ तक की information clear है. Now see how government or the government websites या जो sources हैं, how they are projecting it. This report in 2023 released recently, India secured 8th position, which is 2 positions up from the last edition. Since no country was strong enough in all the indexes categories, so to achieve the high rating, इसलिए top 3 places 1 to 3 were vacant. Denmark was 4th, Sweden was 5th, India is 8th. Now according to this, अगर आप पहले की 3 पोजीशन को खाली कर देते हो, so इंडिया टॉप 5 कंट्रीज में आता है. दस इंडिया इज अमंग्स द टॉप 5 कंट्रीज. इंडिया किस, अब फर्स्ट 3 पोजीशन तो आप खाली कर दीजिए. सो 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, इंडिया इज इन द टॉप 5 कंट्रीज. दिस इज प्रोजेक्शन. किस तरीके से आप अपने डेटा को प्रोजेक्ट करते हो, दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर योर आंसर राइटिंग एज वेल. In answer writing, we will use the same data to criticize and the same data we will use to show the positives as well, right? तो आपका ये positive आपने दिखा दिया. This is very important. This art, this skill is very important for your answer writing. क्योंकि हर चीज का डेटा अलग अलग याद करना is not possible. So जो डेटा है उसके साथ कैसे प्ले करना है, how we should play around with the same data, that is very important skill. Now there is another line. India at 8th, United Kingdom at 11th, Germany is 16. Only 3 countries, G20 countries are among high performers in CCPI report 2023 index. Thus, India's rank is best among G20 countries. Next statement in any other exam, in civil services exam also can be G20 का अभी submit हुआ है. According to CCPI report, India is the best performer among the G20 countries. That is true. G20 में तो top position है उसकी. टॉप 5 में भी है, 8th रैंक भी है, पिछली बार से 2 पोजीशन हायर भी गया है. नाउ विद दिस इंफॉर्मेशन इफ वी विल रिविजिट आवर क्वेश्चन अगेन, सो लेट्स सी. दिस वाज आवर क्वेश्चन. ओके, लेट्स सी which of the following statement is not correct as per CCPI report, climate change performance index report 2023. so first of all this आपको ये पता चल गया कि कौन रिलीज करता है, हु रिलीजेस दिस रिपोर्ट. इट इज बीइंग रिलीज फ्रॉम 2005, जर्मन वॉच, न्यू इंस्टीट्यूट, ये सब आपने देख लिया. इंडिया हैज जंप 2 spots हायर, ये रिसेंट की बात हो रही है. दिस स्टेटमेंट इज राइट. इंडिया इज प्लेस्ड एट 8th रैंक, दिस स्टेटमेंट इज ऑल्सो राइट. India is amongst the top 5 best performing countries in the world on climate change. This statement is also right. But अगर आपको ये बात पता नहीं होती, आप अपना दिमाग लगाते, कॉमन सेंस लगाते, and then you would have eliminated this option कि नहीं यार, जब इंडिया 8th रैंक पे है तो टॉप 5 कंट्रीज में कैसे हो सकता है. You would have chosen this answer as not correct. और India is placed lower in the rank index in than Norway and United Kingdom. हमारा एक जनरल जो टेंडेंसी है कि डेवलप्ड कंट्रीज स्पेशली नॉर्वे, फिनलैंड, स्वीडन, ये लोग अच्छा करती हैं, हम उनसे नीचे हैं. सो ऐसा भी नहीं है. यूनाइटेड किंगडम इज एट 11th पोजिशन एंड वी हैव सीन कि G20 कंट्रीज में हम टॉप हैं. Since United Kingdom, we don't know about Norway also, it is fine, but we know about United Kingdom. This is how you should process use the information inside the examination hall. But there are 2 things. One is common sense से हम गलत करते हैं कि इंडिया रैंक है, ये स्टेटमेंट सही है, सो सेफ हो जाते हैं हम. by default or for sure we would have marked this statement as not correct. But here what is not correct? This is not correct. This statement is also right. So क्या क्या इसमें सही है? 2 spot, this info is right, this info is right, this info is right. But this info that India is lower than United Kingdom, this is wrong. That's why which of the following statement is not correct? This statement is not correct. This is the importance of the current affairs. और current affairs को भी किस डेप्थ पे पढ़ना है, indices को किस डेप्थ पे पढ़ना है, now you have got right. तो कभी भी अब next time when you are preparing, prepare accordingly. You know the depth. The way we have taught it in the class, the way we have given the explanation in the class, you can decode from there, right? तो इस तरीके से prepare yourself for the upcoming exam 2023. And when am I again and again I'm saying you current affairs, like in the previous video also I have shown this current affairs course we are running for 2024 as well, where we teach the current affairs from prelims point of view, mains point of view, and it is very enriching course for your prelims and mains. So you can see the description in the description box. The details are there. You can go through the demo videos, classes, free classes, and accordingly you can see. If it is useful for you, then you are most welcome. Okay? Limit your sources but revise it multiple times. And let me tell you one very important announcement. So tomorrow we are organizing this event, this workshop, where we are going to understand the changing pattern of UPSC, where our focus would be on scoring 130 plus by mastering the changing pattern. It is a free live online workshop. It is a live online workshop. And why should you attend it? Because if you are targeting to understand the shifting pattern, if you want to optimize your preparation, then you should attend it. And you should get ready for no more unexpected or surprise question in the examination hall. Here we will also engage you with the toppers to analyze your performance. We'll also get to know a roadmap for the next 3 months for your mains preparation. And definitely with all these tricks, preparation, guidance, you will walk into the examination hall with a newfound confidence. Okay. Other than that, there are a lot of bonuses are there. You can go and check the details in the description box. Okay. So see you all. Register for this workshop. We will meet tomorrow. Bye-bye. Take care. And another video, another topic, engaging, interesting topic के साथ मिलते हैं next video में. Bye-bye.